Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use mathgames.com. Now this is a website that we will be using a lot in our class, from skill checking to games. I will also be using math worksheets from this site. The nice thing about this resource is that it's free and easy to use, so if you as a parent want to work with your child on the subjects we are working on in class, you can do so using the same site I use. It's also nice because it goes off grade levels, so you can start with like pre-kindergarten all the way to 8th grade, so you can use it with your other kids also. So let's get started. First, if you click on grades at the top here, under the different tabs, and you want to scroll down to 5th grade, here there are 16 different subcategories so we will be learning in class. Each week I will send the category we will be focusing on in the class in the lesson plan email I send each week. It'll be under mathematics. So we'll just click this first one as an example. So you have to have at least 80% to pass each level, and if you do not pass under your score, it will be recommend the skill that you should work on, and then they can click on that from there. So we can just get started, and I'll practice. Also, a nice tool that they have for this site is under any of these activities, you'll see this like speaker thing, and it's to have robots read the question to you, which is nice. And you have a sketch pad that you can write on, so you can like help with the problems to solve. And let's go back to solving this real quick. Okay, so obviously we did not get 80%, and then so it says nice work, a little more practice and you may have mastered it. So then right here where it says try the skill again, classify quadrilateral shapes, you can just go ahead and click on that, and it will bring you to a skill set to start practicing and get better at it. And then you can also just go straight to skills. If you already know what you would like them to work on, or if I see a student struggling in a certain area, I'll send an email recommending the different skills that I suggest that they should be working on. And you can just go here, and then you can choose any of them, and I'll let you know which ones are the best ones to use, whether it be addition, and then I'll be more specific, obviously. Like I want them to do maybe convert numbers with hundreds, thousands, millions, or add multiple fractions with unlike denominators. Okay, now we're going to scroll back to the top up here. And then, so there are also math games the kids can play so that they learn but also get to have fun at the same time. Now, games with the stars, let's go to games real quick. Any of the games with these stars next to them, they do require you to be a member to play those games. And if that's something you want to do, all you have to do is go up here, hit subscribe, and then hit the parent one and just kind of choose which package you would like to do. Another great thing with this site is the standards at the top, so we know where they need to be and like where they are at. So if we go here, we'll go to grade 5. Kind of shows you what they need to be working on at that specific area and what they should have accomplished by the time they finish 5th grade. All the students will have their own count that we will create in class to keep track of their work and progress for not only me to look at, but also for you as parents to know how your kids are doing on the math subjects. When we create the class, I will make sure that they write down the username and password just so we have it. And I'll make sure to email all that to you guys also. Now if you click the worksheet tab and click 5th grade, this is where I'll be getting most of our worksheets on, so you can see that what we did in class that day for math. Also, if your child misses a day, they can catch up by doing the worksheets at home and bringing them to me the next day so I can go ahead and grade them for you guys and get them done. And just so it kind of gives me a chance to make sure all my kids are in the right spot, and so I don't have anyone falling behind or anything. So that's everything for mathgames.com. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to using this resource with you and the students to ensure complete understanding on math subjects that we will be learning about. If you have any questions, you guys are welcome to email me, whether it's on this one or it's one of the resources that we have posted. Just go ahead and shoot me an email, and I'll make sure to answer as soon as I can. Thank you.